In front of me is Realme GT 60 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Bluetooth. Now use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and when it's ready, click on one of the available devices. I want to connect to this one, so when I tap, I need to select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to accept my request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!